Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai. So this is like I'm continuous. Because that's the only thing which is left and which is the safest thing.
Last weekend or something, there was this hartal, right? Auto hartal. So I was supposed to get to office because I had an important meeting at 10:30. I got out of my place at 10, which is only like 10 minutes from here. And I spent 45 minutes looking for an auto and I couldn't get it.
Many a times they just cancel our rides.
Yeah.
Saying that we didn't get the order or sorry, there is no location service or sorry, we don't have the map and stuff. That's bullshit reasons. Just serious bullshit reasons. We get stuck in the middle and it's like, I feel like hitting them.
Yeah, like any day, if I'm getting an Ola Micro for 6 rupees per kilometer, it's definitely way better than an auto ride.
It's cheaper than auto,
Yeah,
exactly.
it's way better because these guys are not professionals.
In the initial stages when they used to give us those free rides, I think I've made the most of those free rides.
The days the rickshaw drivers aren't there, it's also not convenient on those days, according to me.
I used to work for a bank at that point of time, and a lot of people used to come to my branch and they used to be like, 3 car loan chahiye. I used to be like, 3 car loan kyun chahiye? They're like, ऊपर में डालना है. Like, okay, is it that profitable? I mean, you can pay your EMI and on top of that make money.
I mean, yesterday itself, I took an Ola at approximately 12:50 in the night.
Yeah.
And the guy greeted me with a good morning.
On your location, there are so many cabs showing up, and when you have booked it, it's saying 9 minutes away, 10 minutes away.
Yes. There was this guy, normally it takes hardly 10 minutes to reach from east to west. We had a movie show on IMAX Vadala and I stayed Dadar basically. So I booked the cab. It took the cab to reach here at my place in half an hour. I missed half of my movie. I literally entered in interval.
Through someone, they were rickshaw wala, and they asked me that I will drop you. Then I asked them I want to go to specific place that is CCD. I want to go to Cafe Coffee Day.
Exactly.
आपको पता है क्या? वहाँ ले जाना है. बोले yes मुझे पता है वो जगह. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है कितना लोगे? He said 150. Then I said okay I'll give you 100. I walked away. Then he came behind me and he said okay 100 में ले चलेंगे. And again I was asking him are you sure you know CCD? Because I am new to this place. I do not know. मेरे को पास में जो CCD है वहाँ लेके जाओ. Then he said कि I know. Then he took at that place and that was not CCD. It was MacD Cafe.
Catch a flight.
Definitely, because Uber gives you the details, it's safer, you have the cab driver's image and the car number and everything.
Yeah.
Facility wise, I would say Uber is much better than Ola. Like the behavior of the drivers are pretty
They
good.
both are much better than auto.
Yeah, it take
ऑटो वाले की मनमानी चलती है.
ऑटो वाले ऐसे भी करते हैं ना, हम यहाँ फेस कर रहे हैं, हम वहीं जाएंगे, राइट नहीं जाएंगे.
अगर हमको उस तरफ जाना है तो वो यू टर्न लेके जाने में पता नहीं उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम होता
मतलब
है. हम उस तरफ जा रहे हैं तो उसी तरफ जाएंगे.
Exactly.
यू टर्न लेके जाने में क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है उनको भगवान जाने. I can see like 10 people waiting there for a rickshaw and there are 10 rickshaws there, but
You could please face the camera there once just to see.
it's amazing how there are people waiting there but they're just waiting there. I'm sure there'll be people who ask them but they won't take it.
And auto walas just say no so many times. Like even though like yeah that's the problem. If they say no then what's the point?
Yeah.
Currently in peak hours, there are no cabs available. Like 10 minutes, nothing. And then surge pricing. Dude, that is also way too much. Surge pricing 3 times, 4 times. It's better we catch a cab and go.
And that is so high.
Micro,
Even for
this
micro.
is too much.
And if you
say Uber is much better. Their prices, if their prices surge, still it is lower than Ola.
yeah.
Seriously.
And how about the convenience to pay?
I can pay through cash. If I don't have cash, I can pay through Paytm and other. I can link my card.
They are available any point of time. Like you just book them and they are there. ऑटो वाला सर नहीं हम नहीं जाएंगे. सॉरी हमारा वो साइड नहीं जाना, हमें वो साइड जाना है.
We are facing this side.
सॉरी आप वहाँ से पकड़ लो. And then if they have this such group, तू जाएगा. I mean, what is that?
The other night we came back from dinner and a friend of ours wanted to she wanted to go to Kanjur, I guess, from Hiranandani. We asked, there were 10 rickshaws waiting out there. 9 out of 10 said no and there was just one guy. And I asked him कि आपको क्यों नहीं जाना? So he's like, नहीं मेरे को गोरेगांव जाना है, मेरे को कांजूर नहीं जाना.
And one more plus point. If it's hot, you'll definitely want to go
Definitely
in a
want to have a cab. And if it's raining.
in it. Definitely.
My parents are like sitting at home. They are always like it's Mumbai. A few minutes back, my father messaged, it's not Jodhpur because I belong from a small place.
Message to the auto walas.
प्लीज हमें मना मत करिए, हमें जहाँ जाना है हमें ले जाइए. पहली बात. एंड सेकंड थिंग आप अपनी रिक्शा में वो लगाते हो थूकना एंड यू आर द फर्स्ट गाइस हु स्पिट आउट, तो प्लीज थूकना बंद कर दीजिए.
Exactly.
और हाँ, राइट लेफ्ट आने से पहले प्लीज सिग्नल दे दीजिए.
We understand that they come from very minimum background and stuff. They have their that responsibilities and majboori kind of stuff. All we just ask from them is be polite. हम कस्टमर्स हैं, हमारे तरफ अगर आप अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज करोगे हम भी समझेंगे.
Stop saying no.
Hello guys, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter in the links attached. And you're gonna go down there and you're gonna click that red button, subscribe. Believe me guys, it really means a lot. Until then, see you next time.